What's up guys, my name is Ponsky and this is how to generate easy thumbnails of photos. So if you have some photos using this program Easy Thumbnails, we can make them smaller. For example, if you have so many photos with big dimensions and big sizes, you can make them very small automatically. So when you start the program, you find the files, the folder, you can preview them here. You see how big they are. You can choose if you want a destination folder to be saved in. You can do your settings, max width, max height, best fit, quality settings. You can have a look in the preview output how it will be after the conversation, updating image, and you see the difference. So you can choose one by one by clicking the button make, or all of them, selecting them or not, just using this button make all, and I will start it. It will ask me if I want to override them. I will say yes because I have no destination folder, and you can see the progress here. It's 1 of 7 right now, and loading, and depends on the waiting time, depends on how big they are, how many they are. You can make so many photos, a big amount of photos. I'm for tutorial using only 7 just to show you and not wait too long. After the conversation, you will see how small they are, like dimensions and size. This is so good when you need them for internet, for example. Almost done. When you're ready, you will see a pop-up message that shows that it's done. Almost. And done. 7 thumbnails created. Okay, now when we go here, now the dimensions are these that we set to be maxed, not more than 1500. The size here, you see how small they are, just perfect. So that's all. This program is free, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it, you enjoy it, I helped you somehow. So if you like the video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. So bye bye, thanks.